Today I'll show you how I updated the top of my tile baseboards and made them more appealing and easier to clean. Here's what they looked like before and after, and as you can see, before was the raw edge of the tile. It captured a lot of dirt and was constantly dusty. Here was my solution. This was going to be the quick, easy project for today. I cannot stand the top of that tile like that. It just collects dust and it's just ugly. And I picked up this little piece of trim from Lowe's. And I don't know what it's made of, but it kind of feels like plastic. And if anybody's interested in the exact SKU, there it is. Hey, it's made in the USA. That's good. So it doesn't look like it, but I did clean the top of this off. And this is what it will look like. This sticks out a little farther than the trim, which is right against the wall. So I'm gonna notch that out and shove it back in. This X-Acto goes right through it. So I'm not gonna need any special tools. Okay, it's not perfect, but nothing a little caulk won't fix. And this hangs over the edge, which I don't love, but look, whoever did this tile kind of made it wonky all the way across, so I'm not gonna worry about it. There's another spot of uneven tile. It's just a terrible job. I just made a notch to mark where to cut and then cut it with two hands off camera. Okay, I tried to make the cut on camera, so I kind of messed it up a little bit, but nothing that a little caulk won't fix. Okay, I'm just gonna be lazy here and try to cut the miter corner by just marking the edge and just go for it. If not, I've only wasted a few inches of trim. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it, but I made a score mark at the bottom and a score mark at the top corner, and then I'm just going to try and cut that angle with my X-Acto. So that's what I got so far, and I'm probably just going to have to sand a little off, but I think it's okay. It's going to work out, I hope. You know, this stuff just kind of snaps off. Not too bad. I think if I sand it, it'll be fine. Here's the second piece. Score mark at the bottom. Oh, there, you can see it really good. And then I kind of cut a notch at the top. A couple of them, but I'll use the one that's faint there. And try my hand at another random 45. To keep from messing up the front of the trim, I usually try to cut it through the back edge first, the back corner. I'm gonna do it off camera now, but you can get how easy it is to cut even with one hand. I just kept sliding the blade through, and I'm terrible with an X-Acto knife, so if I can make that cut, you can too. That's how clean the cut was. So there you can see, I didn't really cut it. I mean, it matches fine at the top and at the bottom, so we're good. I just need to cut through at a different angle and get rid of this excess on the inside. So I've made a worse cut with a miter saw before, so I'm not really gonna worry about it. Actually, I think this wall is crooked anyway, so little caulk might make that look good. This is just a temporary fix until I can do something more permanent with my bathroom. So I'm gonna roll with it. Then caulk the top to get rid of these gaps. So the dabs of glue didn't work very well, and I'm gonna run a bead of caulk, Alex Plus, my go-to, and hopefully that will work. Okay, I just slopped some on. The nice thing about caulk is that you can just Wipe it away with some water. Just wet your finger and easy. And I'll just finish off this last corner with a little bit of caulk and be done. And I didn't really need to secure this to the wall with anything. Once the caulk was there, it held fine, except there was a little spot behind my toilet that I didn't show that I needed to put a little painter's tape to hold the trim on until it dried. And then I just add a little caulk to this corner later, and it looks great. I'm not sure why. It took me about 9 months to finish up this video, so I can tell you that the trim held up very well. I don't have a lot of activity at my house, but it didn't get dinged up, and it cleans up really nicely, and it makes the bathroom look a little more fresh. I hope this video gave you insight on the product and helped you freshen up your space for a few bucks. If so, please like and subscribe, and have a blessed day.